What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to set up your e-commerce sales page or landing page using the Elementor page builder to set up your landing page for your e-commerce product. Okay, this video is going to be a walkthrough. Like, I'm going to walk you from how to install the Elementor plugin and how to be able to set up your page very well so that people can be able to get to your page, get the product you're advertising, and also place the order so that you can be able to send the product to them. Okay, so make sure that you pay attention to this video while I walk you through on how you can be able to do just that. Okay, if you are interested in using Elementor to follow process to this video, I'm going to drop a link below this description so you can get here and get the Elementor for yourself. This is going to pay for itself if you know what you're doing. So this essential plan you're seeing here is just $49 per year. Then for 3 websites, it's $99. If you're designing for 25 websites, this is $199. So I feel that this is far more better because of what comes with it, like the widgets that they provide for you and how seamless it is to design your landing page using the Elementor page builder. Okay, so that's what we are going to be using in this video. So quickly go ahead, once you already have your hosting, your domain name, and you have installed everything and you have landed on your website, on your WordPress website backend, what you just need to do right here is to go straight to plugins, then click on add new, because we are trying to add the Elementor plugin. But before we go there, if we go to install plugin right now, you'll find out we don't have any plugin here except the Bluehost. The hosting company I'm using to host my websites is Bluehost. So if you don't have a hosting company, probably maybe I will drop a link on how you can get a Bluehost account at a very cheap rate. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, click on add new. Once you click on add new, because when you get the Elementor Pro builder, they are going to give you your own dashboard, you understand, where you go and download the plugin to your end. So once you download the plugin, you just go and click upload plugin, go to choose file. Then this is my plugin that I have already downloaded. Then I'll just double click, it comes up here. I'll click on install. So I'm trying to get the Elementor page builder uploaded on my laptop, on my website. Okay, so let's wait for it to upload. Okay, it has finished uploading. Then you click on activate plugin. Once this plugin has been activated, you have to install the normal Elementor plugin, because for this Elementor Pro to work, you need to install the other Elementor plugin, which you can easily do by clicking on install Elementor now. And the reason why we are not using this other Elementor plugin is because I don't think it doesn't have the form builder that we need for people to submit their order, and there are some other widgets that we will be needing to create a very good landing page that is not going to have. So once you have installed it, you click on activate plugin. Then once this whole stuff has been activated, as you can see now, the Elementor Pro is asking me to connect and activate my account. So because I already have an account with them, I'm just going to click on connect and activate. So as you can see, it has already find my account immediately. So I will just click on, I will just remove this, and I don't want to be a contributor. I'll just click on activate. So this is going to activate my Elementor Pro page builder so that I can be able to use it to design my e-com landing page very well. Okay, so you can come here, check the prices, should buy the take the one that is best for you and just go along. So once you have gotten here, then the next thing that you have to do, because the page that we are going to be creating here is for, what's it called, I want us to create a page for this latest Apple Watch, this Apple Watch Series 6. So assuming that we're trying to sell this watch right now, so let's create a sales page that will help us to sell this watch correctly. Okay, so what you have to do is, okay, I think I already have some. Let me delete this whole pages here so that we're going to start afresh everything afresh. Okay. So what you have to do now, when you come to pages, you click on add new. So once you click on add new, just title your page. So we are working on Apple Watch series 6. Then I'll click on edit with Elementor. So it's loading. It's now going to bring us to where we are going to design our page. As you can see, this page is blank right now, but after we finish working on it with the help of Elementor drag and drop page builder, this page will become so massive. Note, you can use any page builder that is suitable for you. If you are good with Tribe Architect, you can go ahead and use it. But one thing, just follow ahead with this video because I'm going to show you the a walkthrough, the step-by-step process of how you can to do it. Because right now, as you can see, the landing page setup walkthrough, we are going to go over how to get your headline, your subheading, your VSL, which is the video sales letter, the call to action, the product benefits, features and images, the testimonials, bonuses, urgency, order form and thank you page. Like, I'm going to show you how you can be able to create all this stuff. So you can even do it using Tribe Architect. You can do it using WP Bakery page builder. You can do it using any page builder you are conversant with. It's not much that you're going to use the Elementor page builder. Okay, guys. So let's head straight. So what you have to do now, once we have gotten to this page, we are trying to create a page to sell this Apple Watch Series 6. Okay, so what we'll have to do, as long as we have arrived here, we are going to follow this stuff to the core. We are going to follow it step by step because this is going to direct us on how to be able to set up this page correctly. Okay, so let's proceed. When we come here, first of all, go and click this settings button down here. Once you click it, hide the title because we want this page to be a plain page when people view it. Understand? All right, so let's start running through how to set up this page correctly so that you can follow through. So you have to click this add new section button. This will allow you to add any section that you want to add on the website. You understand? So once we click it, remember what we are trying to put here now is we want to add the headline, which is the first part of our landing page. Okay, so once you come here, you click on that plus sign. These whole structures will pop up. So what you now have to do is select this one based on what we are trying to do. Okay, so once I have selected it, I'll come here, click this stuff that is here, and come and pick a headline text and put here. As you can see, it's just drag and drop. I can change whatever I want to change here. I can add whatever I want to add here. So like I said, the first thing that we are going to put here is going to be a headline, but you can put whatever you want to put. Like most times there's a product I will try to sell, I would like to put a testimonial first, to tell people that people are actually buying this product. There's a product I want to sell, I'll just put the headline of the product. There's a product I want to sell, I'll just put something like free. I'll just put like something like free delivery, free delivery, free nationwide delivery. Guys, don't worry, we are going to design this thing and you will see how beautiful this thing is going to look at the end. Free nationwide delivery. You can also put pay on delivery. So this will help people to know, like, you don't have to pay until we get the product to you. Okay, and we deliver free to everywhere in the nation. So once you have put this thing, we can center it here. Okay, then you can click on this 6 dot that is up here. Once you click on it, because this is dot controls whatever is happening inside here. So once you click on it, you can go ahead and change the background color so that this stuff is going to be visible. I can put it black. Then I can double click on the text, go to style and change this to white, so that it will be very, very visible. Okay. So, like, that's it. So for now, we have haven't like I said earlier, you can use anything as your heading. You can use this, you can use the name of the watch, you can use a testimonial, just whatever you think that is going to make people to become super interested in the product. So once we have added the heading, then the next thing that I advise people to do is to put in the subheading. Now you now have to talk about this product or why people should get this product. You understand? So what you have to do here is just come over here, click on this dot you're seeing here. It's that navigation dot or whatever it's called. So click on it, come here and select another heading. Just drag this thing and drop it under the free nationwide delivery. Okay, once you have dropped it there, then you can now type whatever you want people to know about this product, or you can put something like get this Apple Watch Series 6 delivered to your doorstep. Get this Apple Watch Series 6 delivered to your sorry for the title. Delivered to your doorstep. This product works for both Android and iPhones. You get yours now. Okay, so what we have to do now is also to center this. So we can now decide the color we want this one to be. Can try several colors and see how it match. What one I normally like to do is I'll go to the product and see the kind of colors these guys are using here, so I can have an idea of what I'm doing. You understand? So okay, they're using this color. I think something like red. I think I got it with it. So I'll try to find a color that is going to match what they use there. So let's say I'm going to use this color. Now remember, if you want to change the size of this thing, you can just click on this thing, click on typography, then select the size you want. You can use 30. This is 30. You can put 50 like this, and it becomes very big. Get this Apple Watch Series 6 delivered to your doorstep. This product works for both Android and iPhones. Get yours now. Okay, so then as you can see, we have added the headline, subheadline. Then the next thing is video sales letter, which is VSL, that sell the product. Most of the e-commerce products they are going to sell have already had people talked about how good this product is, or probably you can create your own video, which I'm going to show you in the next video. You can create your own video and insert it here, or you create your own video, upload it on YouTube and insert it inside here that will have video sales letter. So the way you insert it using Elementor, you just click here, drag this video, come under here and just drop it. You understand? So this is now your own video link. So let's say that we want to get a video for this Apple sees, maybe we don't have our own video, then we'll have to know whether some other people have created amazing video there. So we can just go on YouTube. Once we get to YouTube, we just search. Okay, we'll make a search for Apple Watch Series 6. Okay, so you just see lots and lots of people that have created video for this. This girl has, she showed everything that this watch can do. So probably I might pick this video, just copy the link address, go back to my page, click on this icon that you're seeing here, or click on the video, edit video, come over here. You are seeing YouTube. I just paste my video here, then you will see that this video will now pop up here. Okay, so if you have your own video, just upload it to your YouTube account and put the link here. It will just pop up like this. If you don't have it on YouTube, you can choose Vimeo, you can whatever, wherever platform you're using, just select it here and put the video down below. Okay, so as you can see, let me expand this thing so that you see how this thing is looking. Okay, so one next thing that we have to do, because we have to ensure that this whole welcome or anything stuff is not showing, because if I preview this page right now, you see how it's going to display. Like, see how so we don't want to include any navigation button or any navigation link above our header. We just want it to be plain. So what you have to do is you come back here, click on these settings, then go to page layout. As you select page layout, then click on Elementor full width. So this is now going to load, and okay, it's now showing us the welcome. Let's select the settings again, Elementor canvas. What we are trying to do is to remove the, okay, so what we have to select is Elementor canvas, not full width, sorry. So if you come here, you select the Elementor canvas, it will remove that welcome stuff. So if I preview this thing again, you will see how it will look. Okay, so you see it's now looking great. When somebody lands, this is what the person is going to see. If I expand this thing, this is how it's going to be. Free nationwide delivery, pay on delivery, get this Apple Watch. Like, everything is so clear and bold. Okay, so we have added the video. Then the next thing is to add a call to action button, because once you are using a video sales letter, you can also use an image here. But one thing I like about videos is that when people watch the video finished, they don't need to go and read what you have written down here. They just want to buy the product if they are interested. So that's why after putting your video here, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and place a button down below. Just click here, drag button here, put it down below the video. You understand? For people to buy. So what you can do, just center this, come here, choose medium, or you can just choose large, and okay, so you can alignment, you can select where you want this button to align. If you want it to be like this, if you want it to be ending here, you see it here. If you want it to be ending here, but if you want it to be full, as you can see, it's full here. So what I like it to be like this, so that people will see it very well. And I'll type something like, get this product now, or I will put something like buy now or something. And since I'm trying to merge it with the color, I can just come here and select this color. Let's work with the color. So I'll change the color of the button. Okay, just come here, change the color. Note, guys, if you are not getting, just take time and watch this video. You understand whatever I'm doing here. Okay, if you want to increase the size of this, get this product now, you can just go to style, click on typography for the text. Then I can put the size of this thing to 30. As you can see, it's increasing. If I put it to 50 now, it will now become very bold. So let's say maybe I want to leave it at 50 so that people will see it very well. So as you can see, we have the headline, the first headline, we'll have the subheading, then we'll have the video, the VSL, now we'll have the call to action. So with this alone, people that are interested that have watched this video immediately can go ahead and buy this thing. Note, if you don't want a video here, you don't have a video, you want to use an image, you can as well remove this video and put an image. This is how you can put an image. Just click here, click this dot, come here, select image and put it, just drag it and drop it here. As you can see, I can just put any image I want here. I have here. If I have any image here, let me check. Okay, I don't have any image here. As mean I have an image, I will just put the image here and remove the video. But since I don't want an image, I want a video, I will just delete this. But to delete, just right click on the object you want to delete and click on delete. It will just go like that. Okay. So what next on our timeline? So the next thing is the product, benefits, features, and images. To talk about the product, tell people what this product does, why they should buy it. And the best way to know about the product you're trying to get is to definitely go online and make searches and find out what the product is doing. That's what you're going to put there. So what I have to do is I will just come to this Apple page. I'll just scroll fast. I'm not going to waste time so that I will see what it's doing. Blood O2. Okay, the feature of wristwatch. Measure your blood oxygen level with elevation. Okay, so this thing can help you to measure your blood oxygen. Okay, see your fitness metrics. Okay, on retina display with Apple Watch 86 on your list. A healthier, more active, more connected life is within reach. All right, so if you get the full information, you can scroll through this page, but we don't have time to do that. You understand what I'm saying? Like this, they are listening whatever this thing is doing for you. Your blood oxygen level is a key indicator of. All right. So what I now have to do is I'll just come here and put in I'll select another section because sections is where everything lies. As you can see, this section here contains this black background because this is under still one section. All these widgets that I'm putting here falls under this section. You understand? If I change this color now, everything in the background will change. The color of the background will change. You understand? So I don't want to have my benefits and image and every other thing in this same black background. So it might look some kind awkward. So what I have to do is to come here and select another section, which I can just select one single section like this. As you can see, it will give me a new white background. So I'll just come and pick my header again and place here. So probably I might put something like products, features, and benefits. So I can come here and change the color to black so that it will match with what we are doing. Okay, so I can increase the sizes to, let's say, 40. Okay, then so once I have put in something like this, then the next thing is for me now to probably maybe list the product features and what this product can do for you. Then when I come here and select either text or icon, I can come here and search for anything you want to search. You can go here and search widget and put anything you want to search here. You can find them. Okay, so let's say I want to use just text, because whatever I'm going to do with this icon, I can do it with my text. So I'll place it under here. Okay, so let's take some benefits or some features that we'll see here. Measure your blood oxygen. Measure your blood oxygen. Okay. Or you can just type, this Apple Watch series Series can help you. There's something they use there I want to use. Can help. Okay, with these Apple wristwatches on your wrist, can help you live a more healthier, active, and okay, can help you live. This Apple Watch Series 6 can help you live a more healthier, active, and connected life. Okay, can help you live a healthier, can help you have a healthier, active, and connected life. Okay, so can put here the amazing features of why you need these products. Guys, no, I'm doing this on a fly. Like you can take your time to craft a far more better offer or better copy than what I'm just putting up here. Okay, so I just put it, then measure. It measures your blood oxygen on the go, right? So this one now I might try to add stuff to it. All right, so this can put this guy. There are several stuff. You can even increase the size of this stuff so that more people will see it clearly. I can put it at 20. Okay, change the color to pure black so that people will see it. Okay, so like I said, it measures your blood oxygen on the go. What else I will put in? Bluetooth sensor, GP illuminating. So what you have to just find several features of the watch. Okay, come here. Okay, I think is water resistant, right? Water resistant. Product features and benefits. You measure your blood oxygen on the go. This watch is, I think it's 5 or something like that. Let me scroll and find something good. Okay, I think okay. Always on retina display. Blood oxygen app, ECG app, high and low rate notification, irregular heart rhythm. This product can determine your when you're having irregular heart rhythm or water resistant 50 meters. This is a very good point. This one is water resistant. Okay, so you can come here, put whatever helps irregular heart rhythm notification. Displays irregular heart rhythm notification. Okay, so you can go ahead and add more stuff here, but the most important thing is also to be adding images alongside whatever you're adding here. So to get good images for this stuff, I can just maybe come here and type the go to Google and ask for Apple Series 6 watch and click enter. Then I'll click on images to know if I'm going to find great images of the watch. Okay, Trying to find great images for this watch. So probably if you come here, just take your time, scroll through, find great images. I think this one is from Apple. I'm saving them direct. I think. So let's just save a couple of these images so that you can see how we're going to add our images. Or probably let me use this game. Save images. Okay, I've gotten some images I might need. So what I will need to do, if I will just come down here, because the next section, just as we are saying here, is product, benefit, features, and image. Note, guys, you need to research about what your product is doing very well so that you can put what will make people to buy, or definitely go and watch, put whatever you have written here in your videos that is going to, grab people, hook people, and grab their attention and make them to want this watch, and put it down here. Okay, then come here, select the image, put it under here, then go here and upload the image that we just downloaded. You can right click it to upload. So once it's finished uploading, just click insert media. So as you can see now, the image is already here. So let me take it to the left so that it looks okay. Okay, so as you can see, we are making a bit of progress here. So once we have added the image, you can add as many image you want. You can add as many tests you want. So this is just to show you guys basics of what you have to follow to get this page up and running. Okay, so once you have added this one, then you go straight to testimonials. That's another good thing about Elementor, is that you can easily add your testimonials. So we can come here, you know put another section, change the color of our section to black, to make it to pop up when we put testimonial there. Okay, black. Then you can come here and just type testimonial. So as you can see, it's showing testimonial calendar. You can just pick anyone, drag and drop here. So as you can see now, like, the thing is already going to be showing testimonial to our customers, testimonials of happy customers that have bought this product before. Okay, so we can expand this stuff to make it, let me do 50. Yeah, so to make it look bold enough. So if you want to, let's say you want to add an image or edit something on the testimonial, this is the first one. You can just click here, see image, and come here and select any image you have here, and the image will appear here. Hope you can see it. So that's it. So we have what we need. Then you can go back immediately and add as many testimonials as you have. Then bonuses, if you have any bonuses you are giving, because most times if you're trying to get people to take action immediately, you might include some bonuses. Like, as this is an Apple Watch, you can include something like an AirPod, a free AirPod if they get it today, or you can include something like an AirPod case, or any stuff that goes with this watch is a good bonus to add. Okay, you can include whatever thing that you believe that is going to go well with this as your bonuses. Okay, so let's say let me just do it so that you guys will see how you can do it. Just put another section and put header, and you can say something like order this wash today and get these amazing bonuses for free. People like free stuff, like more very well, like, so put that here. Okay, so once you have put this thing here, then go ahead and put in your bonuses. You can say something like, mind you, if you want to duplicate this thing, you can also duplicate this thing direct. You can right click it and duplicate. Okay, then go inside here and say bonus number one. Then probably you put an image of another product. Let's say airpod. You have airpod you want to add. So all this stuff is just to entice them to take action immediately. Okay, so you can put, let's put this guy. Save image. So come here, upload. Oh, we can't use this image. We can't use that image. Let's find another image that we can use. Okay, let's save this. I don't know if we can use this one. So okay, we can use this. Right click. Insert. All right. So as you can see, like, order this watch today and get these amazing bonuses for free. But if it is the way I'm going to create this thing to be appealing, because I would not like it to take over the full page, just like the watch is taking over. What I will do is I'll double click this thing and select, I want this thing to be on, I want this thing to be on 3 categories. So here is what I will do. I'll come, drag this first one and put it under here, so it will limit, then drag this and put it above. Okay, so you see, one thing I like about Elementor is drag and drop. Whatever you're doing, this is bonus one. I can duplicate this stuff, call this one bonus two. I can duplicate another one. Just put several bonuses you want to give out. If you want to give out only one, fine. It depends on your product you're selling and how you want to sell it. So we can simply delete these ones. Okay, so these are just like the list of bonuses that you are giving out. You put bonus number one, bonus two, bonus three. If you don't have any bonuses, it's fine. The product that you are selling. It's not a must that you will add a bonus to the product for you to sell your product. So once you already have your bonuses up there, we are just following what we have here. So another thing is to put an urgency so that people will get this product immediately. You don't just put bonuses. You can tell them, order this watch today and get these amazing bonuses for free. Then you can come here and put something like, let's pick up a header. So probably let's create this thing and add a header there. So we can come here and tell them something like, these bonuses this expires or disappear, anyone you want to use, when the timer hits 0. You can put it in so many ways so that people that doesn't, so that they will not say they will not, they didn't know. So okay, so this bonuses expires when timer hits 0. Then you now come here and search for timer. You see countdown, you drag it. See guys, that's why you need to get this pro version of Elementor, because it makes everything easy. I don't think they included a timer on the free version, but you can check. So then you can now arrange how you want your timer to be here. Show this, no, we don't want it to show this. Show hours, no. We want this thing to elapse probably when they, after 23 minutes. Like 23 minutes is enough for anybody that wants to buy this product to buy it. You understand? So that's what you have to do. You can also come here and change the background color of the timer. We can use the background color of our button. You can come here and copy it so that everything will look professional. Note, we will still go and adjust most of the sizes of what we have here. We're trying to just run this through and get the exact stuff we want. So as you can see, this watch, okay, this bonus expired when the timer hits 0. And one other thing you have to know about this timer is that you can select what will happen when the timer hits 0. Like as you can see, action after expire. So for example, let's say you want to redirect people to another page, or you just want to hide this timer. If you want to redirect people, you can just select redirect and put another page that will now redirect people and show them another page because the timer has hit 0. Or you can just simply hide the timer. You understand? So that when this thing just reaches 0, it should just go off. It will not do anything. You understand? So that you will not lose people in case the person did not take action immediately. So it now left for you to do whatever you want to do with this timer. You can come here and also customize it more on how you want it to look. Okay, so that's our urgency right here. Then the other thing is now the order form, which is one of the most important aspects of whatever we are creating here, because we need a place where people can just go and place their order. Okay, so just come here, right, click this thing and type in form. Okay, drag the form and put it here. So we now have to adjust the form on the information we want people to put. Full name. We'll make it required so that they must put their full name. Okay, that's for full name. Then email, we'll need their email, or you can just ask full name. You see what I did? I just click on here, it duplicated. Then I will select the type I want. I want for phone number, I will select tel. So phone number, okay, email address, okay. You can add another item, add item. What else do you want? You want the address, so the address will be in text. So put full delivery address. Make it required because it's very important to us. You can drag this stuff anywhere you want to put this. For example, if I want the full address to be the first, I'll drag it up. If I want it to be down here, I'll put it here. Okay, so I can delete this message as I don't need them to tell me anything. I just want them to give me the information I want from them. Okay, so the next thing that we can do here is, when you put for to be on a safer side, it's also good to add something like put city and state, because you can put city, you can make this column like 50%, so that it will take up half of the page. As you can see now, it's taking up half. Then you can duplicate it and make this one to be state, so that people will give you the exact city and state that you're taking the product to, because some of them will not remember. They will think that everybody is in Lagos or in Abuja, and they will think you are near them, that you're just going to bring it immediately. So put the city and the state to enable them to deliver your product. Okay, so to edit the button, as we are already working on using this color on most of our button, because it's good to make everything to look the same, to look professional. So let's edit the button here. So this for the form, you can just go to button, background color. As you can see, I've changed it. If you want to increase the size of the button, go to the content, close the form with, then open the button. You can see the size, we can put it to large. Okay, so instead of saying send, you can come here and change it to place order, so that they know that you're placing their order. Place order. Then this form, we can also add a heading above here that will say something like, the heading will say something like, kindly fill the form below to place your order now. Come here, change the background to black. Kindly fill the order. Sorry for the typo. Okay, so where are we? So if there is another thing that you want to add here, you can go ahead and add. Just click on the form, Elementor will open this stuff, then you go ahead and add any item that you want to add. You can change the size of the input size. Like I can come here and make the input size to be large. You see, everything just expanded. Okay, so just play around this whole stuff and get it to look as you want it to look. Okay, so once we have put the order form, so the next thing probably is going to be the thank you page. But remember, since we are advertising on Facebook, it's always advisable to put a disclaimer below. Then this disclaimer will say something like, this site is not supported by Facebook. This site is not part of Facebook, and all those blah 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 blah. So you can just come here and put your disclaimer. You can come here and put the heading, then title it disclaimer. Okay, select text editor and put it under the disclaimer. Then put, this site is not part of Facebook and so many other stuff that you can put down here. So you can just edit it, make this thing to be black. Okay, like as I used to do, I always like to decrease this stuff because it's not important to my customers. It's just important for Facebook, so for them not to be flagging your account up and down. Remember, I can center this whole stuff. I can center this. I can click on this. I can go down. Okay, go to style, center it. Then I click this thing, push it down very well so that people will not see it. I might do it like 50, or let's say 200. You understand? 220. So that it's going to be down here. I don't want it to be up here, confusing people that are trying to place order on what I'm saying. So you can now come here and design this page as you want. Like if I'm the one, if I want to utilize this page, I can come here and click on this section, over to advanced, go to padding, because the padding is what's holding all these things together inside here. I'll put like 50 padding so that there will be space at the top, and at the bottom that is here I can put another thing like 50 padding. So the same thing goes with all these other ones. I'll just be clicking on their section and be adding padding, 50 padding top and bottom in them. This will also allow the page to look very nice. Like as you can see now, the space I'm putting here now is making this page to look very nice. As you can see, I can also put the padding here. So let me just run through it. So the first one, 50. Okay. Button 50. Okay. So likewise the form, if I want, I'll add padding there. If I don't want, I'll just leave it like that. Okay, so right now your page has been set up, but guys, make sure you do research your page very well. Ensure that you put all those cool words that is going to drag people and make them to take action. Make sure you research more about the product so that you can be able to put in core benefits, what people are going to get from buying this product, the features of the product, anything that you believe that is going to make them to buy this product. Ensure you put it here. Put lots of images, put lots of testimonials. You can even put screenshots. Instead of putting this kind of testimonial, you can put an image and put lots of screenshots of what people are saying about the product. That's the best one that converts. Okay, so once you are done with this particular stuff that you're seeing here, and note, once you put your email form, for you to be able to get your email, that's one thing you have to pay attention, because you want, when people send the email, for you to receive the email. Just click on this edit form, then come down and click on action after submit. As you can see, collect submission email. Okay, then come to collect submission. It's already telling you collect submission will be saved to Elementor, which is going to be saved to Elementor. Then, but the thing is also ensure that these actions after submit has email, so that they will send you an email. Very important. So here, this is my email. They will send you, put your email here, the email you want to be receiving your orders to. Then put the subject you want the email to come with, so that once it comes, you can put it something like order, or to know new order from Apple Watch Series 6. Because what this thing does is that once this email comes, once you see new order from Apple Watch, you know that, oh, someone just send an order. And leave this all field as it is, this message, because this is what will contain all these fields that you're seeing here. You understand? This is what will contain all these fields that you're seeing here. So once you are done with all these things, just come and click on published. Once you have done designing your page, you're clicking up, then you can click this. You can click this thing to view how your page is looking. So this will take us to show us, as you can see, the preview one I've already reloaded. Let's go through the preview one, since this one is still loading. It's the same thing. Like as you can see now, okay, it has finished loading. Let's go back. So as you can see now, this is our page that we have set up to sell this Apple product. So this is now the link that we are going to copy and put on our Facebook ad for people to then go and buy this product. Do you understand? This is now the link we are going to put on Facebook. When we get to this part of creating Facebook ad, I will show you. We'll now come and copy this link and put there. So when people click it, they will land on this page. So now the next thing for us to create is the thank you page, because once people place this order, you have to let them know that they have done something. Do you understand? Because if it didn't show them that they have done something, they will not know that they have placed an order. They might not even be expecting your order, your delivery. So what you have to do is we have to come back, go back to our dashboard. We'll go to pages. As you can see, we only have one page here, which is this page. If you view it, you see that it's this new page that we just created. That's what is here. Okay. So we now have to create another page, and we'll now term it thank you page. And the way I used to title my page, because I might have so many products I'm promoting, so I might actually something like Apple Watch Series 6 thank you. Then I also hit a date with Elementor. Okay, so once this page loads, we'll go ahead and do the first thing within the first one. Click on settings, change this page layout to Elementor canvas so that it will not have footer and the menu section, so that even if we have any other products on the same website, people will not know. Okay, so it now leaves us with a blank page to design our page with. Okay, so what you now have to do is the same thing. Select this thing, go here, put the heading. Then we can now put thank you for placing your order. Please kindly note that our customer representative will reach out to you immediately to confirm your order. So yeah, you can change the color to black. Then I could do like you can just put this thing so that it can center very well. You can put like 15. Let me do 200. Let me make this thing bold so that everybody can see it clearly once they land here. And I'm going to center this thing. Okay. So this is now going to be our thank you page. Immediately they have clicked on this thing, it will now show them, thank you for placing your order. Please kindly note that our customer representative will reach out to you immediately to confirm your order. So this will now make them to know that they will be expecting our call. And the reason why we want to call them is to make sure that the person is interested in getting that product, and the person is going to be available when we're going to send the product. So that will also help us to confirm the address the person puts there, to make sure you are sending to the right address. Okay, this strategy alone will help you to avoid so many failed orders. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and show you how you're going to now link this thing up with the normal page. And guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. This is the right time to subscribe here. Click that like button and that bell notification button, so as I continue to drop this massive video and tutorials for you guys, you are going to be the first to get in here and take advantage. Okay, so let's go ahead now and publish this page. Once we publish this page, now you'll find out that we now have two pages. So let's also preview it and show you how it's going to look at the end. Watch this URL here. You're seeing Apple Watch Series 6 thank you. Okay, so this is where we want to take them. So all we have to do now is to go back to our, let's go back to our dashboard. So I will show you how to connect this whole thing. Go to pages. Then we'll now open the first page we created. which is the sales page or landing page. Right click it, open it with Elementor, open the link, so that we can now be able to connect this with the new page we have created, and we are going to run a test and you'll see how it works. Okay, so what you have to do now, just come straight to this order form, click on edit the order form, then scroll down. This place that you see action after submit, right click it, then click here. Don't remove this correct submission and email, don't remove it, just click here and click on redirect. This redirect, okay, click on redirect. So as you have seen, our emails and everything they are going to put is here. Then on redirect, now what we now have to do is, now we now come and copy our thank you page. We now copy our thank you page URL, go back to here and place it here. This is the reason why I like Elementor very well. Like, everything to build your page is here. Okay, so once you do it, just click on update. Okay, so it has updated. Then now let's go in and see how this page works. So all we have to do now, let's open this link. Let's say that we have went to Facebook and click on this link, and it brings us to this page. Free nationwide, they pay on delivery, get this Apple Watch and everything. So okay guys, there is something that we miss. You know, when we click this, get these products, it's supposed to bring us down to this, fill this form. So to do that, this is how you can do it. Come up here, click on this button. This link that you're seeing here, you can create an ID on this form and put the ID as a link here. So this is how you do it. Let's click on the form where we want people to fill the form. Click on advanced, then this class ID, add something like order, then copy that order, then scroll up to the button, click on the button, then put this pound sign that you're seeing here and add that order as the link. This is how you will do it for it to work. Then you update. Once you have done this, let's go back and refresh this page. Okay, let's remove the pound sign and refresh this page, so that you will see when somebody has finished reading this whole stuff, or the person clicked on this video to watch the video, and the person is not satisfied to buy. He now click on okay, get this product now. As you can see, it brings the person down here to fill the form, and this thing is now telling the person, kindly fill the form below to place your order now. So let's fill the form so that you see how it will direct us. So name Martin, I'll put whatever I like as my phone number, Martin Arch. Okay, address, you can put anyone, then city, state, Lagos. Okay, so now watch. If I click on this place order, you see what will happen. It has submitted and it has taken us to this thank you for placing your order with us. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, if you like this video, kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section and I'm going to reply to you. Okay, so like I said earlier, I'm going to drop the link on how you can get Elementor down the description of this video, so that you can be able to come in here and follow this step-by-step tutorial. And before we go, There's one thing you also have to know when you are building a site with Elementor. There is what we call building a responsive site, a site that was going to be responsive on mobile, because most of your customers will be coming on mobile phone. And if you click on here now, this you're seeing responsive mode. If you click on it, look at this up. Let's go to mobile, because most people are buying from mobile or desktop, but majority of your buyers will come from mobile. When you click on this mobile, you have to make sure that this looks good on mobile. As you can see, it's not looking good on mobile now. So it's not really looking, it's okay in some part, but this thing is too big. So what we have to do is that we can just click here, go to style, change the size. We can put this size as 30. You understand? So it now matches with this thing that is here. There's this, get this product now. Oh, I'm supposed to click on the edit. You can click on the edit and change this size to maybe small. Sorry, just leave it at large. Change the text typography, change it to, let's say, 25. You see, so that it will be easier for people on mobile to read, because that's where most of your buyers are coming from. I think other ones are okay. So once you have clicked it, update, so that this mobile own would have been updated. Once you go back to this thing, it will return back to normal. That's why Elementor is very great. Like, you can set up your site for mobile and for tablet and for desktop without any problem. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please let me know. Drop it in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, and let's actually go ahead to the next video, which is now going to show you how to create your own video. So guys, before we proceed to the next video, I actually remember that I forgot to show you guys the message of the order, or the email from the order that I just received, okay, that I just sent right now. So once I come to my email, I've already opened it before I see it. So you just, as you can see, immediately I have received the email, the new order from Apple Watch Series 6, which is what we titled the subject there. Okay, so you are seeing the full name that we put in, the number, the email, the address, and everything. So this is actually one of the main reasons why I love Elementor, because they made everything look so easier. Stripe acted them works and everything, but most times I've been used to not getting most of my orders delivered to my email, just as Elementor used to do it as quickly as possible from them. I just have to go to the back end and tweak and all those stuff. So that's why I fully suggest or recommend Elementor. So if you want to get Elementor, just click that link below and get Elementor for yourself.